Hi! In front of me is CUBOT tablet TAB10, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS launcher on this device. First of all, you need to access Play Store, click on the search bar and simply type in iOS launcher. Then download this app from this developer and open it. After that, wait for the pop-ups to show. When they do, you need to choose while using and allow in all of them. So while using the app, allow. After that, swipe up and choose home button. Then click on iOS launcher over here. Select always and tap on get it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my tablet. But if you want to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into devices settings, clicking on apps and notifications, then scrolling down choosing advanced, so RMS click, and tapping on default apps. Over here you need to choose home app and tap on quick step or iOS launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!